You won't believe how easy it is to keep your curls looking perfectly defined all week long. I'm about to show you my exact routine for the next 7 days to keep my curls fresh, bouncy, and full of definition. Let's get started. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair. My first step is the Maintain Leave-In Conditioner. This product gives my curls the hydration they need without weighing them down. I rake it through, making sure every strand is coated. Next, I'm locking it all in with the hard hold gel from the same Hydrate and Hold kit. This gel gives me the definition and hold I need to stretch my curls through the week while still keeping them soft and bouncy. Here's a quick tip I use as a curly hairstylist. Always apply your gel on soaking wet hair and finish with a quick scrunch to encourage curl clumping. Now let's diffuse and see how the curls turn out. Day 1 curls are my least impressive curls. They're defined but still feel a little stiff from the gel cast. Don't worry, this is normal. I'll show you how they evolve over the next few days. Day 2 is where the magic starts to happen. My curls feel lighter, softer, and the gel cast has completely broken. I'm loving how defined they look today. It's one of my favorite days for my curls. By day 3, my curls have gained so much volume while still keeping their definition. This is the day I like to focus on scalp care to boost hair growth. I use a little lightweight oil and spend a few minutes massaging my scalp. This improves blood circulation and moisturizes my scalp without causing buildup. By day 4, my curls start losing a little definition, especially in the back. If I feel like they've completely lost their bounce, I'll go for a quick wash day. But today, I'm keeping things simple with a loose bun. This keeps my curls protected while still looking cute for the day. Day 5 is Refresh Day. I'm going to lightly refresh my hair with a little bit of water and the Maintain's Hard Hold Gel. This refresh keeps my curls defined for the entire day without overloading them with product. Another quick tip. Don't forget to sleep with your bonnet or silk scarf tonight to maintain the refresh. By day 6, my curls are back to looking great. They feel light fade and defined, and I don't need any extra product today. This routine helps me stretch my wash days without sacrificing my curl pattern. By day 7, my curls are ready for a fresh start. I'll go back to my simple styling routine and repeat this process for another week of healthy, defined curls. This method has been a game changer for me and my clients. It's easy, it works, and it helps you get the most out of every wash day. And that's my 7-day definition routine. If you're looking for simple and effective tips to make your curls look great all week, then definitely try these tips. I'll leave the tips for the Maintain, Hydrate and Hold kit in the description below. Remember to like this video and share it with your curl friends. I'll see you in the next one.